Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. And as always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about the recent news about Boeing that caused the stock price to dip. Before I do so, let's take a look at the price movement and statistics of Boeing. Boeing, ticker symbol BA, today down 5.33%, and at one point was down 12%. Past week, down 9.86%. Past month, down 2.1%. Past 3 months, up 19.88%. Past year, up 12.47%. Past 5 years, up 215.79%. So even though it dipped today, in the grander scheme of things, it's pretty minor relative to the 5-year span. So taking a look at the news, as I mentioned, Boeing dipped today because of the tragic news. And because of this, China suspended 737 MAX 8 operations, which is the model that was impacted. So the regulator grounded nearly 100 Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft operated by its airlines, more than a quarter of the global fleet of the jets, following a deadly crash. And less than 5 months ago, a Lion Air 737 MAX 8 crashed in Indonesia. So within a 5-month span, 2 of these models crashed. That's very unfortunate news. They were able to find the black box, so hopefully Boeing can learn from what happened from the most recent incident. And Buckingham Research doesn't expect big crash impact for Boeing. They don't think that there's going to be meaningful financial impact to Boeing, according to this company. The Lion Air crash was thought to have been caused by a faulty sensor and the data it provided to the flight control system. And from an investor perspective and in our view, we think worst case would be that the Ethiopian crash was caused by a totally new flight control system problem unrelated to the MCAS system. In that case, we think Boeing could need 2 to 4 months to develop and qualify a temporary and/or permanent software fix and install it. So this research company is fairly positive, thinking that it won't financially impact Boeing, and hopefully Boeing can push out a fix to fix the automated system. So what this model, the difference between this specific 787 MAX model relative to the previous iterations is that there's more automated systems, and apparently some of the pilots may not know how to use this new system. So Boeing's going to push out a fix to hopefully resolve some of the issues. And also the FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration, issued a notice to international aviation community that the Boeing 737 MAX is still airworthy. And it says it's issuing a continued airworthiness notification for the plane after the weekend crash. And this is the second deadly crash of the new model. So because it's still airworthy, it could still be used by the different airlines. So that's still good news, but I think the overall consumers are still fearful of flying on this model. So hopefully Boeing can alleviate some of these concerns. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Boeing? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.